In this video, I will show you how to get your TikTok account unbanned. TikTok typically bans account for violations of its community guidelines, which include inappropriate content, spamming, or illegal activities. So first check if TikTok has sent you a notification or an email explaining the reason for the ban. Now you can appeal the ban within the app or you can use a browser and search for Contact TikTok. Now choose this first website, and when you click on this website, you will land on screen like this. Here click on Visit Help Center and you will land on screen like this. You can see the search bar at the top. Click on it and search for Report Problem. Now click on Report and scroll down and you will see this option of to report a problem in an online form. So click on it and now here you have to fill out your information. Write a detailed explanation of why you think your account was wrongfully banned and then click on Submit. Now TikTok will review your appeal and notify you of their decision.